Okay, I'm going to show you how we're going to take these off. These screws have a flap on the other side, so you just want to turn them so that it falls down. There's a hanger here that prevents it from falling the whole way down. Then you just swing it down like this. I already disconnected my hot and my neutral and the ground here. So basically you're just going to want to turn it diagonal, take it out, and okay, now I'm going to show you how to disassemble this. Alright, we don't need this ballast and the rest of these wires because the new one has it internally here, as you can see. So I'm going to remove these screws that are holding the wires. Okay, for our new light, we've got 4 holes here, and we're going to probably drill new holes because they don't line up. Hello. You have a return for us. I do, yes, just a moment. Okay, so we're not using our purple or the pink. We just need our ground, our common, and neutral. And this white light comes with a harness here or a cable that we can fasten so that when you're opening up the light, it doesn't fly out on you and crash to the ground and break. But we're gonna get this as center as we can. So now all we have to do is hang it back up and hook up our wires. Make sure we got our ground, and there we go. And then I'll show you how to replace it. This one I already changed out with our new LED. Put it back up in, and all we gotta do is connect our grounds. Got a wire nut. Bigger wire nut. Yeah, they're all the same size. Okay. 2 grounds here. Here. We have our, now on this video here, you'll see that it's black, but we have it marked with a little bit of white tape, so that's our neutral. And we're not hooking up our pink or purple. Next, we're going to put in our cable here. I need my drill, which is down below. I'll go grab that. Okay, so we're going to fasten our cable to the inside of this box here. We'll just reach up in here and get it done. There you go. Now we just gotta push it up. Hook it in like that. Make sure your Tabs are pushing in. That's good. Okay, there you have it. Okay, so I had to cover up our daylight sensor, which is up there. I put a funnel on top of it, and then we just had to wait a minute and the lights turned on. So I'll show you the finished look here. We got all 4 lights working now.